like fucking Hurricane Katrina, man. God damn. People's houses are flooded the fuck out. Water all the way up to their doorstep, in their backyards, man. Is that hail over there on the side of the house? It is. This road right up here is a river. A torrential river. Holy cow, man.